Hi, welcome to Dev Tested. I hope you guys have checked my previous videos. If not, check that out first. It sets the stage for everything that we'll be learning today and for our upcoming lectures. Let's dive in to reciprocal equations. So, reciprocal equations means an equation which remains unaltered or unchanged when we replace x with 1 by x. That means if alpha is the root of the equation, then 1 by alpha must also be the root of the equation. There are four standard types of reciprocal equations, starting with type 1. Let me write x and 1 by x. This is reciprocal equations. Starting with type 1, consider this polynomial. If a polynomial has odd degree and are equidistant from the ends are equal, that means a over here, a over here, b over here, b over here. So in such cases, the root always remains to be minus 1. Type 2. If a polynomial is of odd degree and the coefficients are equal in magnitude, a over here, a over here, b over here, b over here, but are opposite in sign. In such cases, the roots are always 1. Type 3. If we have a polynomial which has even degree and the coefficients are equal, a, b, but the magnitude is opposite, that is this, then the roots are always 1 and minus 1. The type 4, this is pretty important one. If the polynomial is even degree and the coefficients are equal and symmetric, a over here, b, symmetric. In such cases, we make x plus 1 by x as y in solving the equations because this reduces the degree of equation to half. Before we move ahead in solving any problem, I want you guys to solve one equation and comment me down the answer. What would be the standard roots for x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0? Let's solve the given question. If we see the coefficients, then we get to know this is the type 4 of reciprocal equation. So let's divide this equation by x square. X to the power of 4 by x square minus 5x cubed by x square plus 6x square by x square minus 5x by x square plus 1 by x square, which is equals to 0. We get x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 5 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 0. Now let me do some rearrangements. That is x square plus 1 by x square. I can take out 5 as common and it will be x plus 1 by x plus 6 equals to 0. After this, as we know this is type 4, so I need to replace x plus 1 by x as y. What would be the whole square of x plus 1 by x? That would be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. That would be y square. So my x square plus 1 by x square is y square minus 2. Now let me substitute this over here. So we get y square minus 2 minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. I can move further solve it. Y square minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Let me solve it to find the roots of the equation. So that would be y minus 4 and y minus 1 equals to 0. So I get y equals to 4 or y equals to 1. But what is my y? My y is x plus 1 by x equals to 4 or x plus 1 by x to be 1. If I solve the whole equation, it becomes x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0 or x squared minus x plus 1 equals to 0. In such cases, the roots would be x equals to 2 plus minus under root 3. And this would give me complex, real, no, complex not real roots. This is the way how we solve a type 4 equations. I hope you guys have understood. To stay upgraded for my upcoming lectures, please click the notification button. Thank you and have a happy learning.